In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called System and Update. Then select Input Method and finally Autofill for Google. Now select Continue in the pop-up and tap on Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To add any other one from here, you need to have at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Google Password Manager pop-up. This way your password will appear here. Now to add any other one, tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!